Meet Watt. He has one job today: to show you why solar panels and a home battery are better together. Solar panels are amazing, but they have a famous flaw. They make all their power while the sun is up. Your home works the opposite way. Mornings and evenings are when you cook, charge, and binge, right when panels go quiet. Without a battery, your extra midday solar flows to the grid, and the utility pays you credits for it. Here is the catch. In more and more states, those credits are worth far less than the power you buy back at night. A battery flips the script. Instead of selling cheap and buying expensive, you bottle your own sunshine for later. Think of it like a lunchbox. You pack it at noon when energy is free, and open it at dinner when energy is pricey. Batteries also dodge peak pricing. Many utilities charge the most in the evening, exactly when your battery loves to shine. The savings are real. A Stanford study found about 60% of American households could cut electricity costs around 15%. Now the superpower, blackouts. Here is a surprise. Without a battery, your solar system shuts off when the grid goes down. That is a safety rule. Panels alone cannot island your home, so a grid outage means your lights go out too. Add a battery, and your home becomes its own tiny power station. Lights, fridge, Wi-Fi, still humming through the storm. And unlike a gas generator, it is silent, fumeless, and refuels itself every morning, straight from your roof. With outages growing longer and more frequent, researchers found nearly 2/3 of households could ride them out with solar plus storage. There is a green bonus too. Storing your own sunshine means burning less fossil fuel at night, shrinking your carbon footprint. Homeowners have noticed 4 in 10 new home solar systems now include a battery, up sharply from the year before. So panels make the power, and the battery makes it yours. Day, night, peak hours, and even blackouts. That is the whole secret. Solar earns, storage protects. Together, they turn your roof into real energy freedom. Thanks for watching, and see you in the sun.